Hey guys, how's it going? I want to say happy Friday and I hope you're having a great day so far. For today, I'm going to be drawing a theme doodle, and for today's theme, it's going to be revolving around birthdays because in a few days, it's going to be my birthday. So I thought it was appropriate to just do a doodle revolving around that. And to get started, I got some new pens that I am really excited to try out. It's from Stedler, and I'm going to replace my micron markers because unfortunately I just didn't think that they were fitting for my artistic needs. So I'm hoping that these pens will really work out well for me. So the first sketch I'm going to be drawing is Happy Birthday, and I pre-drew this one just because I wanted to make sure that all the letters fit according to the width of the page, and sometimes that's hard to do just by winging it. So I sketched this out first, and as you can see, the font is very thin and it's very bubbly, and so I recommend outlining your fonts first if you're still not comfortable with drawing them yourself. So right off the bat, my first impression of these pens was that I really liked how long the tip was because it allowed me to be very flexible when it came to holding the pens. The micron marker didn't allow me to do this since the nib itself was very short and it just made angles really hard to achieve, and these pens just honestly did it for me. Moving on to the drawing, I really don't have much to say about it except that I was just drawing things related to birthdays. So we have a lot of signs going on, a lot of decorations such as balloons and confetti. We have gifts such as birthday cards and presents and just desserts. As for my birthday, I really don't have anything planned right now. I have some things in mind, like going to an aquarium and maybe interacting with some of the animals or the sea life there. I would love to touch an octopus and interact with one because I just finished reading a book that just really made me want to bond with one because they're honestly very smart creatures. They're truly one of a kind. They're almost compared to being like a dog in a way, just obviously very smart. And so after reading that book, I just really wanted to interact with one. I'm not sure if I can do that. I'm still researching it at the moment. If not, I do have some other things in mind, such as maybe getting a tattoo since I don't have a tattoo. I thought about maybe getting something very meaningful or maybe drawing my own tattoo myself, and if I was to do that, I would definitely share it with you guys just to see what you guys think as well. And maybe I'll just spend the day pampering myself and just reminiscing on all the years that have passed and how much I've accomplished, what I could work on, because it's also a great time to just think of how you can improve too. Time has gone by, we're not getting younger as time goes on. So for me, this is an important time for me to just sit back and just overall contemplate on how I am progressing in my life, what I can improve on, in addition to also just thinking and appreciating the life that I have. And I honestly encourage you guys to do the same thing. I know for many of us, birthdays and holidays really represent something on a more materialistic level. I used to be the same way, and I've been trying to steer away from this kind of thinking because I do realize that it does limit my way of thinking and lifestyle. And for example, if I don't have money, I feel like I can't do anything, or if I can't buy someone something to show them my appreciation, I feel like they don't think that I appreciate them. And it's just that kind of thinking that makes me feel like materialism doesn't always serve a good purpose. So I've been trying to think less of it. Now, it's okay to splurge every now and then and to treat yourself every now and then, but one thing I know for sure that I want to do is to make a cake from scratch. I was thinking about making a red velvet cake, and I've never made a cake before. I made cookies, but never a cake, so I'm really hoping that it's going to turn out really well. I have a recipe in mind that I was thinking about using, so it seems like it's pretty easy to follow. Anyways, though, I'm done ranting. I would love to hear your suggestions on what you would do for your birthday, things that you feel are interesting. I'll be turning 25, so I am definitely up for spontaneous things. A few years ago, I went skydiving. It was the most terrifying thing that I had ever done before, but afterwards it was totally worth it, and it was quite inspiring and uplifting at the same time. So maybe that gives you guys an idea as to the kind of things that I'm willing to do. But this completes this tutorial or this video. It wasn't a tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry for ranting. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. I upload every Friday. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!